would look at maybe two things. One would be statements that are like kind of really what you want to hear and it sounds too good to be true. For example, they say they don't record sessions, but they like somehow only transcribe it or listen into the session and don't record it. This is like not possible from the technological standpoint because everything that comes in as like audio file has to be transcribed, turned into text file. You cannot transcribe and not capture any audio basically. Those would be like marketing statements that don't really like reflect the real process, and they just sound that way because they know that clinicians are worried about sessions being recorded, so they take advantage of this fear. This is for me just lack of transparency. So you don't want to go with such a tool because then you don't know what will be the next thing that they will tell you in a way that you want to hear. The second one would be maybe like too much flexibility sort of. So for example, I know that many clinicians would like the AI to write notes like exactly how, like so they can for example upload their note and the AI will just write the note the same way. Those tools that have let's say only this and they don't have actually any advanced like way to capture and extract different let's say markers from the session, they're basically mostly just like GPT wrappers. So it's really like as you are using ChatGPT, but they build you different interface. In GPT you could do like the same thing literally, just that you might think it's not HIPAA compliant, but the company might also not be and just say it on the website. Yeah, like literally the prompt will be like, hey, this is the way I want to write, now write this way. So this note has like no chance to be actually clinically gold standard of documentation. I think if the tool is too much like sort of like this GPT, or just I tell it what I want, I prompt it, it will actually further down the line create more work for you, because you will be discovering those new edge cases as you go. So you will have a different client, the note requires different perspective, there are different challenges. So it will be harder to scale using such a tool.